Hello guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to try out some specs Instagram filter. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the first one. This is by Anaya. You can tap here and you can go to her profile and you can check all the filter here. So this is the neon glass. You can tap on the screen and you can change the color of the glass. This is the second one. Second one is by Nahir. Okay, let's tap on the screen and you can change the color of the glass. Okay, this one, chalk glasses by Nahir again. You can tap on the screen and you will get this lipstick and all these things. So again, this one, 90s baby by Nahir again. Okay, this is by Yamoli. And this is by Lens Glasses. This is by Olga. You can tap on the screen and you can change the glass. Okay, let's check the another one. Pink Glasses by Olga again. Tap in the screen and you can change the glass. Now this is Glass Cat by Olga again. You can tap on the screen and you can make the effects. Okay, so this is Dragonfly Glasses. This is by Olga again. And this is Cute Beer. You can tap on the screen and you can change the animation. So guys, you can use all these glasses. You can go to the creator profile and you can try these glasses, or you can go to my Instagram profile and you can check in my highlights. This is the spec highlights. On the top of the screen you can tap on the creator's name and you can go to her profile from here, or you can try it from here. So you can check all the glasses filter here. So I have 10 glasses filter here, and if you want you can find other filters also here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.